Yo, it's Al, and welcome to another episode of Al's Fits and Kickz. Today I'm here at Solebox Barcelona.
Hey, Al, how you doing?
Hey, shout out to Vira one time and all the guys. And let's go and have a little look at what's inside. So as I make my way throughout the store, can we just appreciate from the beer bricks to the tomato sauce to the wine, the merchandising and aesthetics of this store, from the big details to the smallest ones, are absolutely amazing. Like, how can you not see the food truck here? But the choices for fits and kicks. For fits you have Carhartt, Bape, Nike, Solebox merch is fantastic, and then for kicks you have Nike, Adi, Asics, Birkin, so much more. The team here are next level. There's nothing too much to ask. They're always here to help, and we'll update you on what's about to drop. So for me, my favorite wall would be either the Bapesters, or of course, how can you not walk to a wall with a grill ahead? This has been Solebox Mercat in Barcelona. Thank you for watching another episode of Al's Fits and Kickz. Thank you to all the guys. See you next time. Peace.